Hey guys, welcome to another Tech Controls video. Today's video is going to be a quick review and unboxing of a LOREX dome camera. This dome camera here is 4K and also has audio, which is the main reason I bought it. It's fairly priced at $130 US. It's going to be replacing my front door camera, which currently has no audio and is also 2K. So I have plans to move that one somewhere else. If you want to know more about the specs of this camera, I'll include a link in the description below. We're just going to go through a quick unboxing and then I'll show a little installation of it, a quick time lapse, and also I'll show a little video. It won't be in 4K as this video won't be uploaded in 4K. Just know I do have LOREX 4K cameras and they are really good quality. So I can expect this camera to be as good or better. Let's jump right into the unboxing. We're just gonna focus on the box right now. It shipped like this, came to the door like this. Somebody will definitely know that it's a LOREX product. It was a little bit beat up. We'll open it up and see what kind of condition it's in. So it is a box within a box. All right, there's your front label there. 4K Ultra HD IP dome camera. Some more information on the sides. Paperwork and screws. Mounting bracket. We have 30 meters or 100 feet of network cable, Cat5e in this case. And then the camera itself. It is plastic. And I believe the actual dome camera part is metal, because it is cold, but the outside is plastic. You get your Cat5e and your auxiliary or your power input there, but this is also PoE, so you can power through it. So now that we got this unboxed, we will go and install it. All right, so now that we have the junction box taken apart with the old camera, we're gonna install the new camera onto this cap. Okay, so now that I got that unmounted, this has a little bit of a different mounting setup where you mount this piece onto your roof or your ceiling, or in my case on the junction box cap, and it goes in. It doesn't twist, but instead it like clicks back. So I'm just gonna have to figure it out, mess with it a bit, and get it mounted onto this plate here. These holes don't really line up that well, so this is going to be a little bit off-centered like that. I found a way where I can get 2 screws mounted, but that should be enough to hold it. Okay, so we have it all mounted up, ready to go, and now we'll go outside and put it on the junction box. The installation of the camera went pretty smooth. I was expecting a better build quality, but when I look at the price, I should have expected some plastic parts. This old dome camera that I took out is fully metal. Every part on it is metal, so it's more durable. We'll see how the plastic parts on that camera last, but it's in a pretty secure location with no winds and no rain, so I'm pretty sure it'll be okay where it is. As you can see from the video quality, it's pretty good. I was expecting a little bit better, but once again, this camera was $130 US, so I wasn't really looking more on the audio or video quality side, it's more for the audio component of it. as being my front door, sometimes I would like to hear some audio coming from there. I'll go ahead and show you a little clip of the camera with some audio.
Audio test. Just keep in mind that there's no speaker on the camera itself. It's only one way. It does not support two-way audio.
Here's a clip of night vision turned on. There isn't a lot of area to be covered in this night vision, so I expected this camera to do pretty well, as any camera should do pretty good in a small enclosed space like this. Overall, after using this camera for a little bit, I would recommend it as a budget or entry-level camera, 4K camera in that case, if you're adding something to your system or if you're trying to build out a system, but you don't want to spend $300–400 per camera for quality, in this case quality of the camera itself, not the video quality, because the video quality is actually pretty good. Other than that, that's the video. Thanks for watching.